In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a table in Canva. We will walk through resizing your table, adjusting rows and columns, and then adding and deleting them so your layout fits your design. First, click the table. Move your mouse over the table until you see the outline highlight, usually with a colored border and small handles at the corners. When you see that border appear, click once anywhere inside the table. You will know the table is selected when the border becomes solid and the resize handles appear at the corners and sometimes along the edges. Now, drag the corners or edges to make it bigger or smaller. Move your cursor to one of the corner handles until it changes to a double-headed arrow. Then click and hold and drag outward to increase the table size or inward to reduce it. As you drag, you will see the table resize live on the page, so you can stop as soon as it sits neatly within your design. If your page is zoomed out far, zooming in a little can make these handles easier to grab. Next, adjust the row or column sizes by dragging the lines between them. Hover your mouse over the border between two columns until the cursor changes again to a horizontal resize arrow. Click and drag left or right to make a column narrower or wider. You will see the cells in that column adjust in real time. Then do the same on the horizontal lines between rows to make certain rows taller or shorter. A quick tip: text inside the cells will wrap automatically as you change the widths, so if your text suddenly jumps to a new line, that is expected. With the basic size set, click the table again if it is not already selected. This makes sure Canva knows which table you want to change before adding anything new. You should still see the border and handles when it is selected. From there, right-click a cell. Pick any cell where you want to attach the new row or column. Right-click inside that cell, and a context menu will appear next to your cursor with several table options. Next, choose Add Row Above or Below, or Add Column Left or Right. When you pick Add Row Above, Canva inserts a new row directly above the cell you selected. Add Row Below places it immediately under that row. Add Column Left adds a new column to the left side of your selected cell, and Add Column Right places it on the right. You will see the new row or column appear instantly, and any existing content will shift to make room. Now, click the cell in the row or column you want to remove. Make sure you pick a cell in the exact row or column you plan to delete, because the choice will affect the entire line of cells. After that, right-click. The same context menu will open again next to your cursor, showing options for editing the table. Finally, choose Delete Row or Delete Columns. The selected row or column disappears right away, and the rest of the table closes the gap automatically. You have now resized your Canva table and learned how to add and delete rows and columns to match your layout. If this helped you shape your table the way you wanted, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Canva tips.